Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another Room of the Month challenge and I'll be doing it the entire month of June. This challenge is hosted by my dear friend HEIDI. I am sharing everyone's Instagram handles here. However, there will be a link to each and every one of their channels down in my description box. Also joining the challenge this month is Jessica with Measure and Mix, Maria with Artsy Cupcake, Julie Marie over at Julie Marie, CHANTEL over at Loving Life's Journey, and Patricia over at Living Even Keeled. There will also be a playlist link so you can check out all of the other girls' videos really easily, and I'll have it in my description box below. Also, our posts will go live at 7 p.m. every Thursday in June. And as you may have guessed from the thumbnail, this month I am tackling my kitchen. So let's go in and take a look. So this is what the kitchen looked like when we first purchased the home. And as you can tell, this is why I've never really shared it on my YouTube channel, because it does need a little bit of updating. The countertops are granite. However, they're not my personal choice as they're a little bit too dark for me. However, I'll have to make it work since I don't have it in the budget right now to change them out. The cabinets have this slight pickled stain on it right now that I'm not really a fan of. And as you can see here, it has a little bit of wear and tear on those doors since this is a 20-year-old home. It does have a nice deep and large sink as well as a touch faucet. Now across from that you have the stove area with the nice detail of a hood vent. You can even see where we stopped painting on the walls. The cabinets are solid wood, which we really appreciate and like. However, they still have those really ugly hinges that you saw in our last bathroom makeover. The part that I really don't like about these hinges is that you can see them from the outside, so we'll have to camouflage those. Then finally, this is the last section of the kitchen where we have our fridge, microwave ovens, and a couple of small appliances. The trick here is that it's kind of cluttered looking, so that's going to be one of the things I want to change about this area. So here are the plans. I love white kitchens for their classic and clean look, so I hope to paint the cabinets, all of them white. However, I don't want to keep it completely white. I do want to add some rustic touches, maybe a planked wall accent, and also adding some wood trim around the hood vent so that it gives it a nice little farmhouse custom look to it. I'm going to be trading out some of my canisters and get some clear glass jars. I'll be including some clean and white ceramics to the decor in the kitchen as well. I'll be adding white and navy blue accents throughout to give it that coastal feel, as well as a jute rug and some greenery. And of course, lightening the walls with my favorite gray, Repose Gray from Sherwin-Williams. If you can't wait to see this transformation, please make sure to give this video a like. Let me know what you like about the vision board the most. Definitely check out the playlist so you can see the rooms that the other girls are going to be tackling this month, and make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on this transformation. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios!